Good afternoon. Okay, great. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Terdsak Yano from Participatory Center, Chiang University. My topic is, you can start. Creative partnership to ensure the success of participatory surveillance. Great. Participatory is a disease surveillance system that people can report any suspicious event through the application and digital system. It automatically analyzes the data and alerts the relevant stakeholders, including health officers and local government staffs, to respond to that event. The participatory component are reporters who report abnormal events, committees in local government who take an action after getting an alert, and IT staff who monitor the digital system. With these components, local government facilitates their work to confront the health threat rapidly and effectively in their community. The most important people who participate in participatory system are reporters and local government. The reporter can be anyone who is willing to solve their community's problems, especially the health threat. At the beginning of participatory implementation in Chiang Mai in 2015, the reporters were recruited and organized by local government. They were trained how to detect an abnormal health event, whether human, animal, and environmental health, and how to report via the application. The livestock volunteers, housewives, students in the school, or senior people can be participatory reporters. Not only report any abnormal event, but they also participate in those problem solving, especially disease outbreak control. They also create the reputation among people in the community. They realize that the participatory reporter can deliver their concern or their problems to local government and expect that problems will be solved soon. The local government is another key component. The local government takes care of the people in community. They collect the tax and send this tax to central government. The next year, they will get it back, and they provide the road, they provide the education through supporting the school, they create the activities in community. They also solve the community's problem, including health problems, and etc. This means local government has budget and human resources to do the important duties for community. In participatory system, local government plays an important role in supporting and facilitating the staff to solve the reported problems preliminarily. They provide the budget according with regulation and encourage their staff to help the people in community immediately after they get an alert. Participatory allow them to detect the disease early and encourage them to respond rapidly. We, as the participatory development team, believe and trust in community ability and wisdom. We believe that they can solve their health problems properly if they have effective tools. We empower them to solve the problem with their resources without waiting for the central government as in the past. We provide a contingency plan for disease outbreak, either human or animal health, that they can follow to respond to the outbreaks, such as sudden death chicken and dengue. The explicit incentive that reporters and local government can get is they can handle their health problems by themselves timely. Participatory urge reporters and local government to be the leaders of disease surveillance in community and let them realize that they are the change agent who can prevent the community from the health threat. If they can control the outbreak in their community, they also prevent the disease spreading to the global as well. Participatory always emphasize that this system is their own. Many communities transform the user to be creator. They work together with Participatory Center Chiang Mai University on new feature development, try it in their communities, and release to public to use eventually. In the future, not only local government and organized reporter are the key component, but also the general people or general public can participate participatory. Several communities encourage people to report problems in the public services and health lives in community. In the tourist area, the tourists can report their health problems such as accident and other health threats that they face in visited place. Finally, everyone, local government, reporters, and general public can be the front line of pandemic prevention for the global. Thank you.